So mina ma advice in this situation mangela abantu abadala sisimahuma angene nosisikala ngene babeka ingane phansi balungise lokho and isikhathi bethuka bebe emotional abantu laba bebengazimili lonto lezo so ilunge lonto leyo kube right life iqhubeke phambili VKS is out nginiphile solution mina
because I want to know the backstory of it ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi nendawo like even like from the beginning yini le engaka ebangwayo with Naledi Aphiwe kwenzakalani nazana
ufuna sifike lapho why
nazana even because I mean wasenanda ungwaseshowe kwenzakalani
wazambezana khona sisi wami.
Okay.
I remember this other time she said that she wanted me to help her.
Okay.
She will come and chop it. I was like, okay, cool. So we did a song, but the song didn't work.
Okay.
First time there was this like trending picture until we got in a fight when my sister Osiswam Amahl event. And so it be sent the event amazing. I was booked as well. So you probably qala umengena lapha umefika ufika nabantu abawu3 ukele. So you know avela wathi kumele ngenisa everyone ebesemnyango efuna bangene like and ba complain bathi no you can't like cela ukuze nalabantu ufike nabo ngoba labantu obviously ngoba bekulayini abantu abazothenga ama tickets abazokhokha abazongena
wayebhukiwe yena noma
wayebhukosiswami.
Oh great azosebenza
so ahambe ke mehamba usiswami mefika ngakusasendlini athi cela irefund imali yami because ngicelile ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene that time ke ngoba iqiniso ngizokukhuluma la khona waqala umthuka keke wambiza ngamagama buhlungu ngwabezo la magama because like crazy wathi wena inganaki lezi zinto all of those like
ubani koqala ukuthuka umuntu
ukunaleto oqala ukuthuka Amahl. My sister sent me videos. I was like kawasanda ama video amaningi yaweza sayiboti is hectic yo ngistressa nami lento lelo athule kuAmahl aphinde futhi mina amthuke futhi again amthuke ngathi nami mphendule watshelwe yini ngathi nami mphendule ngeke phela mase amphendula kanayo because kubhlungu mfethu like losing a child people oko wabe ku situation where they look because abanye abantu abazali wamthuka ngingane yakhe umntana wakhe singane yakhe lezo into uthane la kahle kanjalo and she cried my sister amakhala ngasi nami ephendula and then that's when akhuluma lento ngoma wakhe.
All right. And now like isinjani ubudlelwane benu njengamanje? Is it something that kusazwana completely kuyaclash nake nazama ukuthi nihlale phansi nikhulume ngakho?
No, we didn't talk. Ayikho into esisayikhuluma.